exposing the magic in your holiday decor. Get ready to be inspired by these easy and affordable Christmas decoration ideas. First up, DIY ornaments. Grab some old CDs, twine and paper to create fun and festive decorations. It's simple, it's creative, and your tree will sparkle with personality. Next, let's talk about cozy lighting. String lights aren't just for the tree. Hang them around windows, staircases, and even drape them over furniture. You'll set a warm, inviting mood in no time. Now, on to creative centerpieces. Use candles, pine cones, and fresh greenery to craft elegant centerpieces. Your dining table will be the talk of the dinner. Don't forget budget-friendly wrapping. Brown paper and colorful ribbons can make your gifts look stunning. Add a sprig of pine for that extra personal touch. Who knew wrapping could be so stylish? And last but not least, get everyone involved with fun and easy crafts. Make paper snowflakes, garlands, and other simple decorations with the whole family. It's a great way to bond and add a homemade touch to your decor. So there you have it. Transform your home and create a magical Christmas with these simple and affordable ideas. Happy decorating!